Imagine a scenario where you are allowed to pick only one stock to hold for the rest of your life. No trading, no diversifying, just a single decision that could shape your financial future. This isn't just a thought experiment, it's a testament to the importance of choosing wisely when it comes to long-term investing. For a choice this significant, the stock needs to check all the boxes: consistent growth, resilience during market downturns, and potential for future gains. If there is one stock that fits this description, it's Apple Inc. Over the past 30 years, Apple has transformed industries, delivered exceptional returns, and become a household name. Let's explore why Apple stands out as the ideal candidate for this once-in-a-lifetime decision. A history of unmatched growth. Apple's journey from a struggling tech company in the late 1990s to one of the world's most valuable corporations is nothing short of extraordinary. Over the past 30 years, its stock price has grown exponentially, making early investors multimillionaires. To understand the magnitude of Apple's growth, let's examine its numbers. In 1993, Apple's stock price was trading at around 36 adjusted for splits. Fast forward 30 years, and by 2023, the stock is valued at approximately 178. This represents a staggering growth of 49,400% over 3 decades. If you had invested $1,000 in Apple in '93, your investment would now be worth roughly $494,000. Even over shorter time frames, Apple has delivered consistent growth. 20 years ago, in 2003, the stock was trading at around $1. In the last 20 years, it has grown by 17,700%. Over the past 10 years, from a price of $15 in 2013 to today's value, Apple has appreciated by approximately 1,087%, turning a $10,000 investment into over $118,700. These figures underscore Apple's ability to deliver exceptional long-term returns, making it a reliable choice for investors planning for retirement. Innovation that defines industries. One of Apple's greatest strengths is its ability to innovate and redefine entire industries. The company didn't just create products, it created ecosystems that became integral to everyday life. Starting with the launch of the iPod in 2001, followed by the revolutionary iPhone in 2007, Apple set new standards for how people consume music, communicate, and interact with technology. Take the iPhone as an example. It wasn't just a smartphone. It became a platform for an app-based economy that generated trillions of dollars in revenue. Think about how many daily tasks rely on an iPhone, from banking to fitness tracking to social media. Apple's ability to continuously improve its products, coupled with its sleek design and intuitive user interface, ensures that consumers remain loyal to the brand. This loyalty translates directly into financial success. Apple's ecosystem, encompassing the iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and services like iCloud and Apple Music, generates recurring revenue streams. As of 2023, Apple's services division alone brings in over $80 billion annually. This diversification means that even if one product slows in growth, the company can rely on its other segments to maintain momentum. Resilience in economic uncertainty. Another reason to choose Apple is its resilience during economic downturns. While no company is entirely immune to market volatility, Apple has shown an uncanny ability to recover and thrive after setbacks. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, Apple's stock dropped like most others, but it quickly rebounded and went on to achieve historic highs within a few years. In more recent years, during the COVID-19 pandemic, Apple not only weathered the storm, but also posted record-breaking revenues. This resilience is rooted in the company's ability to adapt to changing circumstances, such as shifting supply chains or pivoting to online sales when physical stores were closed. For investors, This track record of bouncing back provides peace of mind during uncertain times. Consider how this resilience might play out in your retirement plan. Even if the market experiences turbulence, Apple's diversified revenue streams and strong brand loyalty make it a safer bet compared to companies heavily reliant on a single product or sector. A future fueled by innovation and growth. While past performance is no guarantee of future results, Apple's potential for continued growth remains strong. The company is heavily investing in emerging technologies like augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and electric vehicles. Its recently unveiled Vision Pro headset is a bold step into the AR market, signaling Apple's ambition to dominate the next wave of technological advancement. Additionally, Apple continues to expand its services sector, which offers high margins and recurring revenue. Services like the App Store, Apple Pay, and Apple TV Plus ensure that the company remains deeply integrated into the lives of its customers. With over 2 billion active devices worldwide, the opportunities for cross-selling and upselling within its ecosystem are immense. Looking ahead, let's consider a hypothetical projection. If Apple stock continues to grow at a conservative annual rate of 10%, much lower than its historical average, a $10,000 investment today could grow to approximately $67,000 in 20 years. This calculation doesn't even account for potential dividend increases or share buybacks, which Apple regularly implements to reward its shareholders. The emotional connection to long-term success. Finally, what sets Apple apart from other investment options is the emotional connection it fosters with its customers and shareholders. Owning Apple stock isn't just about financial returns. It's about being part of a brand that stands for innovation, creativity, and excellence. Think about how many people line up outside Apple stores for the latest product launch, or how its sleek packaging and intuitive designs make every purchase feel special. This emotional connection drives customer loyalty, ensuring that Apple remains a dominant force in the tech industry. For an investor planning for retirement, this loyalty is invaluable. It means that Apple's products will likely remain in demand, ensuring steady revenue and stock growth over the long term. To conclude, if you could only pick one stock to hold until retirement, Apple stands out as the ultimate choice. With a history of unparalleled growth, industry-defining innovation, resilience during economic challenges, and promising prospects for the future, Apple offers a unique combination of stability and potential. Imagine retiring decades from now, knowing that your decision to invest in Apple not only secured your financial future, but also allowed you to be part of a company that changed the world. It's not just an investment, it's a legacy, a symbol of what long-term planning and vision can achieve. For those looking to build wealth and confidence in their financial journey, Apple is the stock that stands the test of time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more useful financial insights.